Okay, here we are, the last of the season. We got the big group that comes in every year, Brian Wall's groups from United. He works at United Rental. They got 4 groups out today, and we got our little photographer here out filming them, Sienna. So all I can say is we had a real good season this year, and we hope to see you all on the fields next year. So now let's go get some birds.
Okay, but I need to ride up to your place and size it up. Well, what I know is that it's crested.
Now I'm looking for down now.
Okay.
Bunch, but reminders never hurt.
Yeah, yep.
It's all good.
Yep. All right, we'll go ahead and start. What we'll end up doing, I think what we'll do is probably, I think what we'll do is we'll head straight up, or we'll go straight out, just a little bit above the field here. And then we'll either come back that way, go out here. So like one of you just stay on the inside of this, and then I'll be in the middle, and then 2 of you can be up above me, or 2 of you can be below me. Okay. And then we'll take that in the middle there. Alright. I'm up.
You like you?
Yeah, that's good. That'll work. And just let it get up above our head before we shoot. And if it's
right here.
Around, oh, I see it. Yep, keep moving a little bit here. That way I don't get ahead of you guys. Y'all ready? There you go. Alright. Pitch up. Good bird. Whoop, there you go. Good shot. Pitch him up.
What do you think of that thing, Matty?
It goes off.
Goes bang. Fetch. 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 Heel. Out. Good job. There you go. Right. There you go. That was almost a lucky bird. Almost a lucky one.
That thing never got above eye level to me. So.
Yeah, that's good.
If I had a third shot, I could have shot at a barrel length.
You should have just slung the gun at it.
I did.
Oh.
He tried to hit it with the butt of the gun. I saw that. He swung.
I nipped it. I know but Matt.
Dead bird.
That was the 28.
Dead bird.
Yeah.
Find him.
That might be getting out there for this one.
It started dropping, so I didn't want to shoot anymore.
Got TSS's in there.
Yeah. $50 a shell for that stuff.
You guys ready?
Yep. I don't know who did that one, but
I think it got all of it.
yeah.
I think it did.
All right, Mike, we're making it too easy. We're gonna start messing.
No. Walk right where we're going. We've been working where our plan was. Yeah, she's on another bird, guys. We might get a double flush here, so.
Oh yeah, she's right here.
Yeah, we'll keep on walking up a little bit. There's another one in there. There's that other one there. There you go. Good bird, fetch.
Say that other bird's only 10 feet in front of you, I think.
Maybe he watched the other guys fly and die.
Yeah.
He figured he'll run.
They get educated.
Oh yeah.
Like an old deer.
There we go. Good shot.
Nice one, Matty.
I might keep this gun.
Yeah, you can't beat that. Good dog. Good dog. Out. What's going on, Clover? Back up. Oh, it's a runner. Back. Whoa. Whoa.
They did it wrong.
Yeah. All right, keep walking this right in front of me here.
Lead that thing a little more. I like the tail beat.
About touch that thing.
I think you did it all over.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure I saw the breast go out of it. Come on, Fetch.
You got us. We hit everything we shot at when she was built.
Everyone after you left too. Bridge bar. Bank bar.
All right, we're going into our new addition, our new cigar club. Come on in. Here we got our humidor in here. We got our little fan in the ceiling, our television. We're getting a refrigerator next week. We got our old Pheasant over there drinking some whiskey, you know. Just a place to come in when it's nice and cold outside and it's too cold to smoke out, so we come in here. Have a nice little table put in. So it's just somewhere to get out of the cold in the cold days. Hope you all come in here and smoke a cigar with us and have a little shot of whiskey. He's giving you a tour of the building in here. Oh, there's that burned dog whiskey. Oh, yeah.